Hey guys, sometimes it is very difficult to keep these wires or any long wires intact. We would need anything like a rubber band to keep them on hold. But however, we found a new solution. It's from Amazon. This is a twist tie wire. You can find it easily in Amazon, and it comes with a cutter. You can just split it from the big roll, and you can use this to tie the wire, billboards, or any bills or anything you want to do. It's going to be really easy for us. And guess what? It's really affordable. So guys, here is how it works. So you have a wire here. So I'm going to use this twist tie to hold it. Tie it. See? It's pretty simple. Just roll it over and you can simply twist it. You can see this? Just twist it. And that's all. It's made of plastic and it's made of a thin layer of steel inside. So it's very easy to twist and we can just place it wherever we want, and if at all we need to untie it, just rotate it in the opposite direction. It's gonna untie and we can take it off and you can use it as many times as possible. So guys, I've given the link in the description. You can find the link, and if you want to make a purchase, you can definitely make it.